Hello, I'm Dr. Hüseyin Kandudu from Istanbul.
Head of Body Contouring Department on ECAMS.
Welcome to our ECAMS Ultimate Body Contouring course. The course is broken down into two parts, the theory and the hands-on live models. So, once you register for the course, the first step, you have to finish the theoretical part and pass the online exams. In order to give you the best experience, the hands-on training will be in a controlled small group training with minimum of 4 to maximum of 10. The hands-on training is the most important part of our training because hands-on allows you to touch and feel the plane of the anatomy, where you are going and how to create a defined body. During the training, I will share all my more than a decade's tips and tricks which you can't find in any books or training courses.
I want to thank the ECAMS team for the great course. I have done many courses at ECAMS and learned a lot. I'm doing a lot of liposuction and lipofilling already, and I came here for the high-def course. I learned a lot from Dr. Kandudu. He's sharing all the tips and tricks, and it's very nice to attend the course.
My vision for my students is to see them not just perform procedures competently, but to master them, to excel as leaders in their field.
This course here is a real good opportunity to develop more techniques. It's teaching us. I feel confident to do liposuction and high def. I think it's a kind of learning curve we all have to go through.
The journey with ECAMS extends far beyond the classroom. They empower you to become an expert in your field, earning the respect and recognition of both patients and peers. Achieving this level of mastery requires a team, unwavering dedication, and a collective of experts all working together to provide the best education and the guidance to doctors and surgeons. Every doctor's journey is unique, with different levels and paths. That's where an education like ECAMS becomes indispensable, laying out a clear, navigable road for smooth advancement in the field of aesthetics.
So when we start something, we need to take the experience from the experts. Dr. Kandudu is one of the best surgeons all over the world doing this technique. That's why I like to come to the course. I recommend the course for everybody needs to do.